Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X5 door handle, guiding you through each step. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a 4mm Allen wrench, and an 8mm socket. Also, grab a Phillips head screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and a trim removal set. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves for protection. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the door panel. Begin by carefully prying off the decorative trim panel, starting from the rear edge using your plastic tool. Next, locate and remove any visible screws, which are usually T20 Torx fasteners. With the screws out, gently detach the door panel clips around the perimeter using your trim removal tool. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors, like those for the window switch and courtesy light, and unhook the Bowden cable from the inner door handle. With the door panel off, we can now focus on detaching the old handle. First, remove the small rubber plug and the oval ring from the side access hole on the door. Then, use your 4mm Allen wrench to loosen and remove the lock cylinder fastener. Carefully slide the lock cylinder straight out. Now, pull the exterior door handle outward and use a pry tool to keep it wedged open. This allows access to the 8mm mounting nut, which you will remove to free the handle. Installing your new door handle is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully guide the new handle into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure the 8mm mounting nut and then reinsert the lock cylinder, tightening its 4mm Allen fastener. Reconnect the Bowden cable and all electrical connectors to the door panel. Finally, reattach the door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and all screws are secured. Don't forget to test the new handle's operation and confirm your window switch works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.